If you're watching this video, it means you're about to receive your CDL permit and will need to go to DMV to complete 3 written tests. Now we're so delighted you're watching this video because we're about to reveal the secrets you'll need to know in order to pass your CDL permit test the first time. The first step is to obtain your permission, which varies depending on where you live. This is going to be 50 questions. The way all these tests work is if you get 80% of the answers correctly, the test is over. So, if I add 250 questions, you'll need to get 40 accurate. So you get the first 40 right, and that's all there is to it. If you fail the test, say you get the first 11 wrong, you can't pass any future tests. There is a skip button. Okay, put that skip button to good use. What exactly does that mean? If you press the skip button, you will not be marked incorrectly. Instead, that question will be moved to the bottom of the list. If you're not 100% certain, click skip. What will happen is that it will be moved to the bottom of the list. Assume we've arrived at the general knowledge test. We have a total of 50 questions. So, even if you're 90% certain, 80% certain, don't try to skip it. So, if you went through all 50 questions and answered 35 properly, and 0 incorrectly since you skipped, you have 15 questions left out of those 15 to obtain an 80%. All you are required to do is 5. Right now, the chances are in your favor. This means you can now go through the 15 questions you have yet to answer. The fact that you believe you are the best, and it even allows you some wiggle room where you are now. So keep it in mind as you take this or any other test. If you're not sure if you're a 100% sure, use the skip button. Tip number 2, which we will tell all of our students, is that you will have plenty of time to complete all of these assessments. There is no time constraint. Okay, once you finish the JAR knowledge test, the examiner will ask, "Hey, are you ready to take the next one?" We advise you to decline. Get back in line, and then perform the same thing we discussed with the skip button. And make certain that you pass that test right now. Some people in here will not listen to our advice and will attempt to complete all 3 tests at the same time. Some people pass, while others fail. With this thing, don't get complacent. Follow and study diligently. We're going to come to our school once you've passed your test, and then we can assist you even more. We'll get you ready for that 2.5-hour driving test. We will assist you in obtaining your CDL license because our objective is to assist millions of people on their journey to freedom. You'll be one of them. Thank you, and have a nice day.